Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new entrepreneur or small business owner ready to dive into the world of customer acquisition, you've landed at the right place. Today, I'm sharing with you a step-by-step guide to get your first 5 customers in no time. We'll be breaking down 10 essential strategies to help you build a client base, starting with how to create a comprehensive list of contacts, the best ways to reach out effectively, and even how to charge confidently. Make sure you have a notepad ready because you'll want to jot down these proven tactics to kickstart your business. So hit subscribe and let's get started. Step 1. Build your list. Your list is your primary resource for finding potential customers. Make sure you're thorough here. Emails. Check all your email accounts and export every contact you've corresponded with. This list could include colleagues, friends, and acquaintances. Social media. On platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, export all followers or connections. Don't forget about direct messaging, DM capabilities, which can be invaluable. Phone contacts. Many people underestimate the value of their phone contacts. Export them into a spreadsheet for easy access. Step 2. Pick a platform. Choose the platform where you have the most substantial reach or where you're most comfortable engaging. Email. If you have a strong email list, create personalized messages or segmented campaigns to start a conversation. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn are ideal for professional contacts, while Instagram or Facebook work well for personal networks. SMS. If you're comfortable with phone contacts and have a personal connection, texting is direct and effective. Step 3. Personalize your message. A personalized message stands out and makes recipients feel valued. Review their profile. Spend a few seconds reviewing their social media or email history to find common ground. Common interests. Mention something relatable, such as a shared interest or recent event in their lives. Custom greeting. Tailor your message to their background or current situation. For instance, "Hey Sam, congrats on the promotion." Step 4. Reach out consistently. Consistency is key. Commit to reaching out daily. Batch messaging. Dedicate blocks of time to send out messages. For example, spend 15-30 minutes per hour sending 20-30 messages. Daily goal. Set daily targets such as 50-100 messages a day and track your progress. Templates. Use message templates that can be personalized quickly to save time. Step 5. Warm up responses. Use the ACA, Acknowledge, Compliment, Ask framework to build rapport. Acknowledge. Recognize their achievements or current status. Example. "I see you recently graduated. Congratulations." Compliment. Appreciate their hard work or success. "You're doing fantastic work as a new manager." Ask, tie in a relevant question. "How do you balance work and personal life with this new role?" Step 6. Invite referrals. Referrals are gold, and asking for them can be casual. Explain the service. Describe your service clearly and concisely so your contact understands what they're referring people to. Casual ask. "Do you know anyone who's struggling with XYZ? I'd love to offer them a free consultation." Reciprocate. Offer something in return, like free advice or resources. Step 7. Provide an easy offer. Make it effortless to engage by offering free or discounted services. Trial. Offer a free consultation or a few complimentary services. Discount. Provide a significant discount for the first 5 to 10 clients. Testimonial trade. In exchange for their time, ask for a testimonial or review. Step 8. Loop back. Don't stop after one touch point. Go back and follow up. Second round. Reach out to those who didn't respond initially with a different message or offer. Referrals. Follow up with clients who provided referrals to see if they have more. Update. Provide updates on how you've helped others or your latest progress. Step 9. Start charging gradually. Begin charging more as demand builds. Initial discounts. Start with 80% off, then move to 60%, 40%, and finally full price. Value build-up. Continue increasing your service quality and value so your price reflects this. Feedback. Use early clients' feedback to improve your offering. Step 10. Keep your list warm. Stay in touch with your list and nurture those relationships. Regular check-ins. Send a message just to see how they're doing and offer value. Testimonials. Share success stories, case studies, and positive reviews. Resources. Provide useful tips, blog posts, or industry insights to keep them engaged. And there you have it, folks. By following these 10 steps, you'll not only land your first 5 customers, but also build a reliable process that can bring in more clients consistently. Remember, it's about leveraging your network, nurturing genuine relationships, and steadily building value to earn referrals and repeat business. Let us know in the comments which strategies you're excited to try or if you have your own tips for finding new customers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Now go out there and turn your ideas into a thriving business.